Here I have ONEPLUS 10T, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on three buttons, go to its settings and swipe down. Here you can find volume button action. You can set it to volume, shutter or zoom. So let's set it to zoom and try this feature out. And as you can see, now I can zoom in or zoom out with volume buttons. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.